A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you and your families are safe and secure at home. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome back to our Social Studies Geography online class. In the previous class, we have discussed about first chapter. Once again, revise our first chapter, India Relief Features. India relief features. Relief features mean physical features. Physical features means different kinds of landforms. So India relief features broadly divided into 6. That are first one the Himalayas, second one the Indo-Gangetic Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, third one the coastal plains, and fifth one the desert, sixth one the islands. First, the Himalayas. The Himalayas consist 3 parallel ranges: the Greater Himalayas, Himadri; the Lesser Himalayas, Himachal; and the Shivalik. These Himalayas consist important peaks, Pirpanjal and Mahabharata, and Lesser Himalayas consist famous valleys, Kulu, Kangra in Himachal Pradesh. Next, these Himalayas is well known for famous hill stations: Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital and Ramgate. Next, the Indo-Gangetic Plains. The Indo-Gangetic Plains formed by 3 main rivers: Ganga, Indus and Brahmaputra. So, the Indo-Gangetic Plains broadly consist of 3 divisions: western part and central part and eastern part. So, western part, central part and eastern part. Western part of Indo-Gangetic Plains formed by Indus River and their tributaries. So, central part formed by Ganga River and their tributaries. Eastern Indo-Gangetic Plains was formed by Brahmaputra and their tributaries. The Peninsular Plateau. The Indian Plateau is also known as the Peninsular Plateau as it's surrounded by seas on 3 sides. So, the Peninsular Plateau consists of 2 broadly divisions, namely the Central Islands, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Prominent plateaus here are Malwa Plateau on the west side, and towards to the east there is a Chota Nagpur Plateau. This is Malwa Plateau and this is Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is located the leeward side of Aravallis and received very little rainfalls. This desert consists of sandy plains and rocky outcrops. So, it has an arid climate with very low vegetation. Luni is the only river in this area. Coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Western coastal plains starts from Rann of Kutch to ends Kanyakumari, and eastern coastal plains stretches from Mahanadi in Odisha to Kaveri Delta in Tamil Nadu. So, eastern coastal plains divided into 3 parts: Utkal coast in Odisha, Sirkar coast in Andhra Pradesh and Coromandel coast. Utkal coast and Sirkar coast and Coromandel coast. Next, western coastal plains divided into 3 parts: Konkan coast and Canara coast and Malabar coast. Konkan coast is the northern part. It touches Maharashtra and Goa. Canara coast, this is middle part. It includes coastal plains of Karnataka, and Malabar coast. This is the southern part, mostly in the state of Kerala. Islands. There are two groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands stretches in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are volcanic origin, and Lakshadweep Islands are coral origin. Okay children, hope you all understood the first chapter, India Relief Features. Let us discuss about second chapter, Ideas of Development. What is the meaning of ideas of development? The word ideas of development has various aspects regarding various people. Development may be different for different people. How do we get connectivity of word different development here? So, different people have different developmental goals. Let us try to imagine what development or progress is likely to mean to different persons listed in the table, page number 14, table 1. For example, first person, landless rural laborers. First person, landless rural laborers. Landless rural labor need better wage, more days of work, and local school that is able to provide quality education for their children, no social discriminations. So, landless rural labor, they did not have any land. So, he may get a job 30 days, 60 days or 90 days, maximum 150 days. So, remaining days, he can't get a work. That's why he can expect a better wage and more days of work, at least 200 to 250 days. Next category of person, prosperous farmer. Prosperous farmer means well settled farmer. He is prosperous. He is having everything. He is expect his children settled better, settled abroad, higher support price for their crops, and through hardworking and cheap laborers. All these things are developments for this prosperous farmer. So, prosperous and our well settled farmer aspirations or goals are higher support prices for their crops, and hardworking and cheap laborers should be able to settle their children abroad. So, next industrialist. Next industrialist. Industrialists would have a better well designing dams to get better electricity facility and all. So, when it comes to the same situation, farmers, third category of person, farmers of small land holding. So, they don't expecting larger dams, they would expect only small check dams, which will supply water to all the people. So, here an industrialist is expecting large dams, whereas the farmers of small land holding would expecting a small check dams. So, different with each other. Yes, here different with each other. Different people have different developmental goals. Development is different for different people, and it has different aspects and different criteria are there. So, landless people have their own aims, and prosperous people have his own developments, and industrialists have their own things, and farmer of small land holding have different aspects. So, sometimes the issue that the things which are one category of people or section of people may be different other category of people, or sometimes it completely opposite. Now let us coming to the next topic, whose development. Whose development. For example, recently the most highlighted issue which happened in Tamil Nadu, the Kudamkulam nuclear power project, which located in Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu. So the central government of India decided to go nuclear power project located in this region, where it is a prosperous region. So people located in this region express dissatisfaction, and environmentalists and the social activists came forward supporting the fishermen. So all the local people living in the Tirunelveli district with objection of the safety measures. So the central government came with a stand and ready with all the safety measures, and every safety is assured in Kudamkulam nuclear power project. So the Supreme Court also ordered safety measure to check thoroughly and gave green signal. Now the central government is moving with the project. Here the issue is we need the nuclear energy, which is the alternative source of energy for us to develop our nation. The same time have to address the issue of local people, those who are living, and the safety is most important criteria which should be taken care by the governments of the states and central governments. Now next topic, income and other goals. Next topic, income and other goals. Children, once again, if you go over table 1, page number 14, you will notice one common thing, what most people desire. People desire for a secure of income through regular work, better wages, and proper price for their crops or products. In other words, they want more income. Yes, children? So, besides more income, other important goals for a better quality of life, non-material things like freedom, equality, security, respect from others. All these are important goals. So, money or material things that one can buy with it is just one factor on which our life depends. But children, the quality of our life also depends on non-material things. Non-material things means here that are freedom, security, and respect, and etc. For example, if a person get a job in a far off place, he considers several measurable factors like family, working atmosphere, learning opportunities, etc. apart from the income. For instance, in one case, a job offer less pay but provide regular employment, increasing the security. The other job offers high pay but gives no job security. Another example, for development, people look at the mix of goals. As people look at the mix of goals, it is true. That is, if women are engaged in paid work, the family income increases and their dignity in the household and society increases. At the same time, if there is respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and greater acceptance of women working outside. A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run in a businesses. So the developmental goals that people have are not only about better income but also about other important things in their lives. Okay, children, hope you all understood the topic. Different people have different developmental goals and whose development and income and other goals. Thank you.